There's only one you, no one to compare you to.
I'm
Adam Isaac, and I'm nature's greatest miracle.
I am Hayley. Hi. I am Hayley. I'm from London and I'm making miracles.
I'm John Govier, and I am nature's greatest miracle.
To shrink into the sand, mountain I'll become, the tallest I will stand. I am nature's miracle, the greatest one I know. There is no one with this destiny. There's no one on this road. I'll be a winner.
Who you are, where you're from, and that you are nature's greatest miracle. It'd be great to hear from you. Take care. Bye-bye.